Hello students, I'm Amandeep Kaur, English Mistress at Government Senior Secondary School, Kaleke, Block Raya 2, District Amritsar. Students, I welcome you all in the session of EBC, that is English Booster Club. In today's session, I want to discuss about strong determination. What is strong determination? Strong determination is the ability to do something continuously without any stoppage, whether it is difficult task or easy task. Students, we are very curious to do new things. When you enter in your new class, you are very interested in doing new things. New syllabus, new books are very interesting to you. But when the time passed, you fed up in between your studies. Why you fed up in your studies? This is because of lack of determination power. What is determination power? As we know, the ability to do anything continuously without any stoppage, whether it is difficult task or easy task. Students, I want to share a story with you about strong determination. There was a boy named Rohit. He was an athlete. He wanted to win every race in his life. But he always quit practice sessions. So he lose the game in final athletic meet. He felt disappointed. He realized his mistake that he can do better if he will do practice. Now he made his determination to win the game and continue practice in his game. This commitment helped him to complete his task. Now Rohit became a good athlete and a successful person in his life. Students, always complete your task with your full devotion and you will definitely win the race in your life. So, take care and have a nice day. Thank you.